у нас было тогда там, а то, блин, вдруг тоже.
С ней все со звуком было.
Ага.
Так, 1500 feather check. Работает. Так, теперь 2200 магнито check.
Где магниточек?
Сейчас сделаем. Значит, на правых работает. На левых тоже работает.
Gauge tower, Cirrus 1970 is ready to wait.
RPM drop. Manifold pressure rise.
1970 to Page Tower, runway 28 clear for takeoff, westbound approved.
Работает.
Takeoff 970.
Так, это значит vacuum amp. Это работает. Altimeter у нас 29 стоит. Окей, хорошо. Friction is fine. Flaps up. Правильно показывает стрелка, но ничего. Так, идем.
А что это такое?
Это flap indicator, положение закрылок. 121,8. The page ground, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo Travel Express with Zulu westbound.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo to Page ground, runway 28, taxi via Alpha Echo Hotel, cross runway 15.
Alpha Echo Hotel cross 15 to runway 28, 311 Juliet Echo. Все, такси разрешили. Поехали.
Если ты делаешь разные RPM, то тогда он поворачиваешь,
Да,
что ли?
да, он сам поворачивает, даже легко.
Педали.
Даю правый двигатель, он налево поворачивает, вот так.
А, ну вот я видел.
Сам. Я как бы сильно и нажимать не надо.
Надо научиться ими манипулировать.
Так, значит, run-up мы уже сделали. Before takeoff, flaps zero.
Говори по-английски.
По-английски?
Давай.
Я же по-английски говорил. Before takeoff, flaps zero, props on high, make sure best power.
Уже совсем.
Fuel pumps on. All flaps open. Heading to compass. Значит, там 145. А здесь 145. А и здесь сделаем 145. Окей.
Так и тут есть, и там есть.
Ага.
Разные два компаса.
Door is closed, landing light.
Подожди. А у меня
У
нет.
вас нет двери. Landing light on, потом, когда дадут clearance, strobe zone, transponder on altitude, note the time, release the brakes. Так, значит, и теперь на двухмоторных мы делаем before takeoff briefing. Значит, density altitude сейчас где-то 2000, runway length 4750, takeoff weight у нас где-то, наверное, 4800 pounds, 4800, takeoff distance 2000, accelerate stop distance 2000, single engine climb rate 206 feet per minute, service ceiling 5000, minimum control airspeed 64.
So 095 cross runway 2 left on Echo.
If there is an engine failure before 64 knots, I will retard both throttles to idle and stop on the runway. If there is a runway available, I will retard both throttles and land on the runway, remaining runway. If airborne and 83 or better, continue on one engine. Mixtures, props, throttles, flaps up, gear up, maintain directional control and blue line 88 knots. Okay. Go into tower. Я не знаю, сколько он стоять будет. Видите, пока кнут.
А, фу. Эти все еще не работают.
DPH tower, AZTEC 311, Juliet Echo, runway 28, number 2, ready for takeoff.
Number 311 Juliet Echo to Page Tower, hold short of 28.
Hold short of 28, November 1, Juliet Echo.
Seven cross 2 left on the other side, contact ground.
Cross runway 2 left, contact ground. 20437.
Сейчас они вместе. Значит, если когда будешь взлетать, ты поставишь их полностью сюда,
Да,
да? Обои.
Оба, да.
Так, эти больше потом в полете не трогаешь, да, только для теста вот эти.
Не, я потом иногда уменьшаю RPM, меньше немножко делаю.
Как RPM живот уменьшает.
Нет, это power.
Number 2122 Mike, Page Tower, you with me?
Вместе работает.
Affirmative, QT Mike.
А здесь...
Do you need much longer? If you do, that's fine. I'll just take it to the other side of the runway.
No, we're just about ready to go now.
Okay, just advising ready.
Здесь же меняется угол захвата лопастей. И это контролирует угол захвата.
Это значит, это мощность.
RPM
Да. За счет... Больше угол захвата, больше нагрузка на двигатель, падает RPM.
Skyhawk 2122 Mike, holding short 28, ready departure.
Number 2122 Mike, westbound approved, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff 28 westbound, Skyhawk 22 Mike.
Меньше, чем 64, самолет не может прямо лететь, его начнет крутить, если двигатель один откажет. А вот эта синяя линия, это VYSE.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, runway 28, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 28, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo. Вот сейчас снимает, давайте вас.
Density altitude 2000.
Okay, 122.7. Pick out traffic, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo, 5 miles north, plan to enter left downwind runway 9er decal.
This way.
Ага. Не, вот так прямо летим, мы на left downwind пойдем. Вот фотоаппарат.
Sorry, traffic tower 839, turning base runway 4.
Вы вперед сейчас снимаете. Decal traffic, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo, 2 miles north of 2000, entering left downwind runway 9er on a 45.
2,000 feet, we're going to be up here a little bit.
Sorry, traffic car 839 is on base runway 4
Turning
Juliet.
downwind.
Sorry, traffic car 839 turning counter runway 4 Juliet.
Okay, let's see, where is our runway? Right there, okay. Pick up traffic AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, left downwind runway 9er.
Flight 95 Yankee, left crosswind 25 right.
Okay,
I got the Grove in sight.
we're just past the end of the runway, let's put the gear down. And left engine failure, pump the gear.
And Camel traffic,
Okay.
Skyhawk 90 from, we're going to be doing
Base.
the boat shooting up here at Stakey, at the southwest corner of the chain here. We're going to be chasing boats from low level, probably 1,000 feet. Campbell?
Pick up traffic AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, left base runway 9er. Okay, got 3 greens, guest on the carriage mixture prop. Fuel pumps on.
Dolphin left crosswind 9er Lansing.
Pick up traffic 1 Juliet Echo.
And 95 Yankee glider's about to land, and we'll probably take the hard surface.
Okay, I go in front of you and I'll go all the way down, I'll land long and go down to the run-up area at the other end.
Pick up AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, final runway 9er decal.
Flight traffic, glider 05 Romeo is entering left traffic, runway 25, hard surface at Floyd.
95 Yankee is turning left base to final 25 payment Floyd, landing long.
Okay, short final 9er, coming down 88 knots, 90. Okay. Power set.
Did you hear me?
А?
Did you hear me? Что с меня случилось? Почему?
Вы очень тихо почему-то, наверное, надо громче говорить.
Алло,
Е-
алло, меня
You're up.
слышишь?
Слышу.
1 minute jumpers at below 14.5 and below. Please hold flight on Floyd Airport, 14.5 and below for jumpers.
Так. Climbing 1600, 103 VY. Turn left base, pick up traffic AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo turning crosswind for runway 9er decal. 1700.
Joliet traffic, Cessna 97 Romeo is entering left downwind 04 Joliet.
Наша полоса девяточка. Так. Поворачиваем на downwind. Pick up traffic. AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo turning left downwind, runway 9er decal. Okay, simulated engine failure. Right engine failure. we're simulating right engine failure. We're gonna
DeKalb traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike's on the ground, taxiing over to 27 DeKalb.
Так. DeKalb traffic, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, midfield, downwind, runway 9er.
Jump to level away, jump away. And the Travis Cherokee 7690 Foxtrot is about 7 miles to the west, approaching incorrect commercial runway there.
Поворачивать на бейс. DeKalb traffic 1 Juliet Echo, turning left base, runway 9er.
Juliet traffic 97 Romeo, turning base 04 Juliet.
Теперь левый двигатель у меня работает, правый не тянет.
DeKalb traffic static 20095 is 11 miles north east of the field entering 3000 DeKalb.
Так, колеса выпускаем.
English.
Landing gear down.
Jump to level away.
Turning final. DeKalb traffic, AZTEC train 1 Juliet Echo, turning final, runway 27 DeKalb. A correction, runway 9er DeKalb.
Juliet traffic 7 Romeo, 04 Juliet. And DeKalb traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike holding short on 09.
Okay, I'm a little too fast.
Boreal Aviation 71504 Victor Romeo. Atlantic Traffic Cherokee 7690 Foxtrot, now 5 miles west of land. I'll be thinking, is there any traffic in the pattern here?
Okay, 85 knots, power to idle, by the center line. And power set. Make sure reach. All flaps open. DeKalb traffic, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, taking off runway 9er, staying in the pattern, DeKalb.
And DeKalb traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike, departing runway 9, staying in the pattern, DeKalb.
Okay, gear up.
Atlantic Traffic Cherokee 7690 Foxtrot, now 3 miles west, we entered left downwind runway 36.
Okay, gear up and locked. Let's turn crosswind, DeKalb traffic 1 Juliet Echo, turning crosswind, runway 9er, DeKalb.
And Campbell traffic, Skyhawk 90 uniform. We are still up at the Fox Lake area, orbiting. We're low level, anywhere from 1,600 to 1,100 feet. Campbell traffic.
Flight traffic, King Air 157 Charlie Bravo, short final 25 flight.
1900, turn downwind, DeKalb traffic 1 Juliet Echo, AZTEC, turning left, downwind, runway 9er. Правый двигатель отказал.
Traffic, skydiving in progress over Michigan City, Indiana, 14,000 and below. Skydiving in the air over Michigan City, 14,000 below.
Right engine failure, right?
Yeah, simulated right engine failure. So we're gonna put throttles up, make sure. Good, bad.
Atlantic Traffic Cherokee 7690 Foxtrot, left downwind runway 36 landing.
Вот смотрите, если по-настоящему двигатель отказывает, делаем вот так. Смотрите, сейчас пропеллер остановится.
Да.
Все,
И спасибо.
летим на одном двигателе.
We are flying on one engine.
Сейчас будем снимать. Будем садиться. Вот возьмите, запишите. Берите фотоаппарат.
Куда писать? Сюда пишу.
Okay, we're flying on one engine, right engine is scattered, it's not spinning. We're gonna do a landing with just one engine. Here coming down. Pick up traffic, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, turning base, runway 9er decal. И видите, как пропеллер повернут боком к ветру. Это специально, чтобы дрэга не было.
А, вот это ты сделаешь.
Ага. Так, окей, gas in the carriage, make sure prop, we're in the base. Pick up traffic, AZTEC 1 Juliet, returning to final runway 9er decal.
After that, to last level.
Okay, gas in the carriage,
City traffic, Skyline 1 descending through 5,000 on a high left base 402. I have 6 parachutes open over Michigan City, 5,000 feet below.
Decal traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike turning left.
a little bit to the left.
09 decal.
Decal traffic, Skyline 20095 is 9 miles directly north of the field, maneuvering 3000 decal traffic.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 171 Sierra Foxtrot, 2.4 mile north of runway 209 and entering the traffic pattern.
Which runway are you using, 9?
Decal traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike on final 09.
How far out are you, Husky?
Очень плохо. It's very difficult to taxi with one engine out. The airplane wants to turn their way.
Traffic, Saratoga 8069 Alpha is left base, runway 9er, Husky in sight, cab.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo is clear of 9er taxi to runway 2. Окей, теперь надо завести этот мотор.
I need to start right engine
Yeah,
again.
we need to start the right engine. Okay.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 171 Sierra Foxtrot entering left downwind for 09.
Fuel pump on, magnetos on, make sure. Okay.
Cab traffic, Saratoga 8069 Alpha is turning final, runway 9, the cab.
Forward. Let's hit the right starter.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 171 Sierra Foxtrot on downwind for 09.
Okay, we got the right engine started back up and we'll take off
Star,
on
you're
runway
right
2.
or left downwind?
Left downwind, Diamond Star 171 Sierra Foxtrot.
Okay, cab traffic, Saratoga 8069 Alpha is 2 mile final, runway 9, the cab.
Sierra Foxtrot. Joey traffic, Skyhawk 11.
Pick up traffic, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo lining up and waiting on runway 2 for the traffic to land on 9er.
And Husky 7 Alpha Mike on the left downwind 09 decal.
Он садится в самолет на 9-ку, мы его пропускаем.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 1 Sierra Foxtrot turning to left base for 09.
Okay, open.
L'Oreal Aviation, this is number 504 Control.
Так,
I don't
садится,
see where is
садится.
that airplane.
А, вон садится, уже поземлее.
Decal
Oh,
traffic,
I see.
Diamond Star 10 Foxtrot turning into final for 09. Decal traffic sky 20095, 10 miles to the north, maneuvering 3,000 feet. Decal traffic.
Будет съезжать или нет? Окей, съезжает. Decal traffic, AZTEC 10 Echo taking off runway 2, departing to the east, decal.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 10 Foxtrot on final for 09.
Okay,
Decal traffic,
60 knots. 64 rotate. Start the climb.
Juliet traffic.
Husky 7 Alpha Mike turning left base 09 Decal. Decal traffic, this is Cap 1150. We are 10 miles north of the field, inbound for landing. Sounds like we're using runway 9 today, so we'll maneuver to the to the east, to the west of the
Okay,
field
gear
to enter a midfield downwind pattern for runway 9 DeKalb. DeKalb traffic, Husky 7 Alpha Mike turning final 09.
А если вот при взлете отказывает двигатель, например, вот надо вот его сразу тянет в сторону, сразу педаль надо нажимать, обороты, это все до конца, этот вниз, этот и этот вниз, извиняюсь, не этот, а вот этот.
English.
Juliet traffic, Skyhawk 11283, downwind leg for 13, Juliet traffic.
Good, goes up, bad, comes down, both, all three, throttle, mixture and prop. Then flaps up, gear
Are there
up,
any sailplanes
maintain
up in the
directional
area,
control,
boys?
and keep the climb.
Husky 7
See,
Alpha Mike
doesn't
on
really
final
want to
09
climb.
DeKalb.
Okay, cool.
Climb rate is very low
Climbing out
on
to the
one
east, I'll
engine.
see you guys in 15.
Okay, now we get back our second engine.
Skyhawk 90 uniform. We're still at the southwest corner of Fox Lake.
And let's
Manila
turn to
Bay.
the
We're going to be
east.
here low level quite a while here, about half hour or so. Camel traffic.
Okay, now you fly. Keep climbing to 3000. Turn to the east. East heading. Trim is up here.
DeKalb traffic, this is Cap 1170 or 1150. We are 7 miles northwest of the field, inbound for landing
No, we
at
need to go up.
3,000 feet.
Go up and keep climbing. And turn to the east.
DeKalb traffic,
Oh, this is too much bank.
Mike off on 9, heading eastbound. DeKalb.
3, south traffic, Cessna 64 Foxtrot, departing 9, straight out departure to the east.
DeKalb traffic, Diamond Star 1 Sierra Foxtrot turning in the crosswind for 09, left crosswind for
A little
09.
bit to the right. A little bit to the right. We need to go east. And climb to 3000.
Oh, climb, still, okay.
Not too steep, yeah. Okay, you're already going east, level the wings.
Mount Holly traffic, Cessna 4929 hotels, 8 miles northwest. We'll be entering left downwind for runway 36 on a 45. Mount Holly traffic.
Campbell traffic, service 03 Mike is 3 to the south, inbound landing, Campbell traffic. Yeah, helicopter over up is Manila Bay, you on?
DeKalb traffic, Diamond Star 1 Sierra Foxtrot entering left downwind for 09.
We need to go east. Yeah, and let's go up to 3000. Like this. This airplane is much heavier, so it's easy to over control.
Yeah, helicopter over Manila Bay, you on?
Okay, I'll have the controls. We're gonna do the VMC demo. So VMC demo is when you failure when you fail your critical engine and you fly on the other one and you show that there is an airspeed below which you lose the directional control or there is an impeding stall. So we're gonna simulate a left engine failure.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 10
engine, we're gonna slow down.
Left downwind for 09.
We're gonna maintain 3,000 feet.
Decal traffic, Cap 11.
Okay.
1150 is to the northwest of the field. We are at 3,400. We're gonna go ahead and descend to the southwest of the field for a 45-degree downwind entry into the pattern for runway 9 at DeKalb.
DeKalb traffic 0 Charlie Delta position 09.
We got you.
Now we're gonna add full power on the right engine, pitch up and gradually lose airspeed, and there will be a time when we're gonna lose the directional control.
11283 downwind, landing 13.
So I'm pitching up. Maintain the east heading, it's already 80 knots.
Now Holly traffic.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 10 Foxtrot, turning into left base for 09.
And here's a stall horn beeping, so I have to recover. Lower the nose, half power, accelerate. Accelerate to blue line.
Sherman 03 Mike, left base, turning final 6.
Full power on the good engine, and maintain altitude. So now I'm just maintaining altitude. Okay, now let's get the engine back.
DeKalb traffic 0 Charlie Delta is exiting to the...
So that's the VMC demo. Now we're just gonna go back to the page.
Okay, good.
Decal traffic, Diamond Star 10 Foxtrot, entering final.
Temperature 24, dew point 16. Altimeter 2997. ILS runway 2 left and visual approaches in use. Landing and departing runways 2 left, 2 right, and 28. VFR departures advise ground control your direction of flight. IFR departures contact ground control for your IFR clearance. Advise you of Alpha.
The page is right there. Far ahead.
Page airport information Alpha 1552 Zulu. Wind 010 at 3, visibility 8, sky clear. Temperature 24, dew point 16. Altimeter 2997. ILS runway 2 left and visual approaches in use. Landing and departing runways 2 left, 2 right, and 28. VFR departures advise ground control your direction of flight. IFR departures contact ground control for your IFR clearance. Advise you of Alpha.
Okay, we got
Page airport
information.
Alpha 1552 Zulu. Wind 010 at 3, visibility 8, sky clear.
Let's give the page a call.
57 Romeo, enter a left downwind, runway 28, report to river.
Left downwind 28, report to river 57 Romeo.
Alright, DePage Tower, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo, 10 miles west with Alpha landing.
So 311 Juliet Echo, DuPage Tower, ident.
Ident, this is AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo. Fly southeastbound to enter a left downwind for runway 28 and report the river.
Flying southeastbound and will report the river for left downwind runway 28, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo. Okay, нам сказали fly southeastbound and we'll be entering left downwind runway 28. So we're gonna start descent.
That way.
Yes, southeast downbound. Gonna start the descent.
Yeah, good afternoon, Gator 4810, visual for T3 right.
Fuel pumps on, mixture is rich. Landing light on after we get the gear down.
Continue with that, not Gator 48.
speed 165. Okay, we're on the outboard tanks. Gonna land our left downwind, runway 28, report the river. Let's turn downwind.
You cannot cross to left and to right, right?
Yeah, you can. That's what he told me. He told me to enter left downwind runway 28. Basically fly over the middle of the airport. DuPage Tower, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo over the river, left downwind runway 28.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, runway 28, clear to land.
Runway 28, clear to land, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo. Okay, we got landing clearance, let's slow down.
That's a 22 Mike, make right traffic.
Making right traffic, 22 Mike.
DuPage Tower, Cessna 1364 Foxtrot, over to covered racetrack, landing with Alpha.
Cessna 1, correction, Cessna 64 Foxtrot, DuPage Tower, ident.
64 Foxtrot, ident.
Okay, we're 120 knots on the downwind.
Cessna 64 Foxtrot, traffic you're following is ahead, less than a mile, altitude indicates 1,700, report the traffic in sight.
64 Foxtrot has that traffic.
Cessna 64 Foxtrot, enter, follow the traffic, enter a left downwind for runway 28, report the river.
64 Foxtrot, I'll follow the river and I'll follow that aircraft.
Base Tower, Cessna 19325, northwest with Alpha, bound to the VOR, and then we'll join the pattern.
Altitude, we're gonna do the short field landing.
Cessna 19325, DuPage Tower, ident.
Ident 325.
More flaps.
Cessna 19325, multiple aircraft entering a left downwind for runway 28. The first one's right off your right, about 1 o'clock, 4 miles, altitude indicates 1,700, type unknown, followed by a Cessna at your 1 to 12 o'clock, altitude indicates 1,900.
You were looking for both traffic 19325. Bonanza 57 Romeo at the river.
Okay, let's start the base.
Bonanza 57 Romeo, runway 2 left, correction, runway 28, clear to land. You'll be number 3 for the airfield.
Clear to land 28, number 3, 57 Romeo.
Page Tower, Cherokee 680 Charlie Delta is 10 to the west, just past the covered racetrack, inbound for landing with Alpha and going to the north ramp.
Okay, 64 Fox, are you not following that traffic anymore? Just report the Fox over left downwind 28.
64 Foxtrot.
Okay, we're on base, runway 28 is right there.
DuPage Tower, November
Let's turn final.
20095, about 11 miles out northwest, requesting to land.
Cessna 0905, stand by. Cessna 22 Mike, traffic you're following is base to final now, right off your right side. You have them in sight?
Traffic in sight for 22 Mike.
Cessna 22 Mike, follow the traffic, runway 28, clear for the option.
For the option 28, and we're number 2 for kayak 22 Mike.
DuPage Tower, Cessna 64 Foxtrot. You want me on a left downwind for 28, is that correct?
Cessna 64 Foxtrot, affirmative, left downwind for runway 28, report the river.
64 Foxtrot, I'll call you river for 28.
Cherokee 0, Charlie Delta, ident.
Sir, Charlie Delta, identity.
Cherokee 0, Charlie Delta, enter a left downwind for runway 28. Traffic, you'll be, traffic at 11 o'clock, 2 miles, heading for the VOR, altitude indicates 2,900 Cessna.
0 Charlie Delta, left downwind for 28, and we'll look for the traffic.
Additional traffic off your left side, quarter mile, 1,600 feet showing he's maneuvering in the area.
And 0 Charlie Delta has visual on him.
Cessna 325, maintain VFR at your current altitude, traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, Cherokee 2,100 feet.
Inside, we'll pass behind, 19325.
Oh, we can take this.
Take it out.
It was Vladimir Lechenko, Lev Hubayev, flying at AZTEC, 2 engine, airplane.
Page ground, AZTEC 311 Juliet Echo, clear runway 28 on Whiskey, taxi to Travel Express.
Okay.
1 Juliet Echo, turn right on Echo, hold short runway 2 left.
Flying at
Right Echo, hold short to left, 1 Juliet Echo.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, cross runway 2 left, hold short runway 33 on Echo.
Cross to left, hold short 33 on Echo, 1 Juliet Echo.
That's the 4th uniform, cross runway 2 left.
There is 2 airplanes landing 28. This one and that one. It's getting busy. Saturday.
1 Juliet Echo, change your sections, turn left on Charlie to hold short runway 33.
Left Charlie, hold short 331 Juliet Echo.
AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo, cross runway 33 on Charlie, then right on the Alpha to parking.
Cross 33 on Charlie, Alpha to parking, AZTEC 1 Juliet Echo. Okay, clear left, clear right. Okay, shutdown procedure, avionics.
Space ground.
Спасибо.